Start rolling right now. Sound guy, good to see you, man. Thank you for your bids tonight. Sounds like you're in on the football. Are we trying to pull you a Wentz tonight again? Come on, one time, right? Guys and gals, thank you so much for joining. Good luck. This is our Random Divisions number 1. It is sold out on the website earlier today. Thank you all so much, bomberbreaks.com. The next breakup will be Pick Your Teams number 2 right after eBay. We also have Division Style number 2. Random Divisions number 2 is available. Pick your teams 2 and 3 on there. All teams are 20% off with that code BOOM. Oh man, I just gave myself a headache. Oh, what was that? Whew. So let's pick our case, guys, and then we'll do the divisions. Odd, I'll take the one to my left to the inside part if it's even. And it is an odd 5. There it is. So odd 5 means this one is in. This one's out. This will be divisions number 2 or another team break tonight. And we will do the divisions. Let's get the divisions rolled out. Good luck, guys. 3 plus a 1. Divisions. Mixed up. 4 clicks is all we need. 3, and there is 4. It's a central sandwich. All right, you're gonna. There they go. Now they're selected. AL Central down to the NL Central. All right, there are the divisions mixed up, guys, and wow, another ace. So a big time thank you to Bob, Corey, Bradley, and Chris who are in tonight's division number 1. We do have a second one up. RBI is in there. He's looking for a few more guys to join him. Pick your team number 2 also available. That's 3. And one more. Boom. There's 5. 4, that is. 4. Just 4. Corey down to Chris. And your divisions in this 9-box case from a Fresh Master. There they are. Corey hits the AL Central and AL East. Bob, you have the NL East and AL West. Bradley in the NL West. And Chris in the NL Central. Sound guys, hey, if it sounds good on Bluetooth, that means our technology is not terrible. Not terrible at all. Just keep your eyes on the road, my friend. Holy cow. Your Bluetooth is alright, but I prefer Blue Moon. Tastes alright with an orange peel. Alright, you guys, that was Crizza. Listen to Crizza. Crizza Heracaro. You guys are knucklehead. Alright, here we go. If you guys are live in the chat, you want to talk some trade, if you want to trade divisions or teams, that is cool. Let me print that off for you guys. Right here for myself, too. Print that thing off. Antecede, what is up, my good man? Antecede, are you in the breaks tonight? You get a team, getting any eBay action, or are you jumping in on a Triple Threads team again? We have 2 more Pick Your Team breaks, guys, and I'm fully confident we're going to get them done. 9 left on Pick Your Team 2 as of last check. There could be less than that. There probably is less than that. All right, Triple Threads Division number 1 right here, right now. All right. Antecede, hey, are you in this one? Divisions. Saga, you be careful out there. You need some coffee. Heck yeah, man. Sign guy says the good luck to all. Thank you guys all for joining. Oh boy, I think we got another book card. Love it. They're all over the place. This stuff is hot this year. Corey said he opened a case. He said it's hot. So far, that's the case. Yes, I can. Corey, here it is. Corey, you have the AL Central and AL East. Bob, NL East, AL West. Bradley, NL West. And Chris in the NL Central. All right. Bob, that must be Bob. That's you in the chat then. Right? Thank you, Bob. Good luck to you, my man. NL East and AL. We're going trout fishing. Come on, trout fish. White Sox, Reds, Rockies, A's, Phillies, the Padres, and Jays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 teams left, and pick your team number 2. There are 7 left, and if anybody grabs a team or teams, please use that code BOOM, B-O-O-M. Our eBay breaks will come up. Let's see. We'll see where we're at after this. If you guys want to talk any trades, even teams there. Josh, by the way, I found a card that you will like. I opened a personal box of Ginter. I forget, were you watching still at that late hour on, what was that, Sunday? Thank you, there was a cha-ching. Thank you guys. We also have divisions number 2. We have a nice little baseball mixer. And we also have the mint checklist break. That's going to stay up there until it fills. We're down in the mid-teens on that one. There's only 22 total spots in that one. It's a little cheaper this time around. Only $39.99. Really big upside on that mint stuff. Each spot purchase gets you a letter. First name represents the first name of a player on the checklist. And everybody wants the J. Pretty well, a lot of guys. The J. Oh no, what happened? Yes, Josh. So I found a card. I'm sending it to you. It'll be a surprise. I'm not gonna tell you. I can't tell you. I did a special caption on there. Oh. B Web's mama. Hold on, let me see. Let me check my phone really quick. Kevin keeps an eye on that stuff too. If you guys are in eBay, just we'll have a combined invoice. Hey Wendy, do you need a refund? Okay, Wendy, I got you. So 20%. We'll kick you back to 20%. We'll kick you back. It looks like if it didn't hit. Thank you guys. Good luck. I know you love it. We need some Goldschmidt. Wendy, I'll text Kevin real quick here to maybe he can take care of that before we hop on there. All right, let's rock. Game on break on random divisions. All right, guys, divisions. Good luck, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. All right, we're going to start off in the AL Central. Jose Berrios, rookie card on the front. If you guys want credit, we could do that. We'll just kick it back. Probably easier right now. All right, Braun and George, a young George Brett. First numbered card of the Giants, a Bumgarner at 150. Behind Prince, it's numbered out of 50. Woo, Prince Fielder in that AL West. And our first hit, it's Josh Harrison for the NL Central, number 10 of 18. For Chris. And, oh boy. Holy cow! AL West. How the West was won. Triple auto jersey for the Astros. Bob, is that Antecede? Is that you out there? That is numbered 5 of 27. Boom! Correa, Altuve, and Keuchel. That is too sweet. Whoa, that's a 360 point. My only 360 point got into my 100 point mags. I'll put that. That's a mag worthy. I'll put a mag on that one for you, Bob. Very nice. Not a terrible start right there. How about our first box? First pack starting to deliver. Very nice. Sandy Koufax in the West. Again, this is random divisions number 1. Keuchel, Frank Thomas, Chris Bryant to 340. Jose Berrios of the Twins to 150 in the AL Central. There's another Astro in the AL West. 8 of 75, Dallas Keuchel. Wowzers. And a triple Yankees, 9 of 9, Damon Boggs and Ellsbury. 9 of 9. That one's going to that American League East. Corey. Boom. Let me see it. Kemp, the Oz maybe. Vladimir for the Nationals. Thank you guys. I heard a cha-ching. Big Mac, 46 out of, well, actually that's medium Mac. Maybe small, maybe little Mac. I don't know. Arenado, 13 out of 150 for the NL West. Oh boy. NL East. Bob, you're heating up. Boom. The Hoppa, 3 of 9 patch piece. That is awesome. And a NL Central Starling Marte. Chris, that NL Central on the board. 13 of 18. Marte. Man, I tell you what, this stuff looks really good. Jason Hayward, the Cubs. Noah Syndergaard and Prince Albert. The Yastrzemski to 99 AL East. Reggie, Favre out of 250. AL East. And as the World Turner. 39 of 99, a rookie autograph card. Going to the NL East. Bob. Very nice. And, oh man, Jose Fernandez, 15 of 36 in the NL East as well. Man, it's weird. It's weird pulling his stuff right now. It's kind of like when Tavares. Such a sad thing. All right, here we go. Tulowitzki in the AL East. Clemens, AL East. AL East, Kyle Ripken. King Felix, AL West, 165 out of 348. And Chipper Jones, 20 out of 50 NL East. Here's an autograph, Shawnee Doolittle, 36 out of 50. AL West going back to Bob and Hanram, 16 of 18. Home run, first base, 13. First player ever with at least 2 homers and 5 RBI in his first game. The A's, I'm sorry, with the Sox. With the Sox, big unit. Giolito and Hank Aaron. On the back, David Price to 250 for the AL East. David Price, 113 out of 340. Boom! Auto bat piece. Justin Turner, another Turner. NL West, Bradley, 17 of 99. And the Mets, 22 out of 27. Bob's Mets, that's the pitching staff. Syndergaard, Motts, maybe Mats, and DeGrom. Roger, the Rockets. Mr. Iron Man, the Iron Man, and Greg Maddux. It's weird how they were upside down and sideways, aren't they? Here's a Maddux numbered to 99, 17 of 99. And Adrian Gonzalez, 231 out of 340 for the NL West. Here's a swatch, a blue swatch for the Mets, 6 of 18. Matt Harvey. And that is a beaut. Carlos Correa, 16 of 75 on card auto. Boom! Bob, you're officially in fuego. American League West. Boy, the Astros bringing it strong. And this one, David Wright, A.J. Reed, and Chipper Jones. Yastrzemski to 150 on that one. 33 to 150 for the AL East. Carlos Gonzalez, 101 out of 250 for the NL West. And an auto patch. Henry Owens, 5 of just 25. Nice, the yellow parallel. Going to Boston, the AL East. Corey with that one. And Giancarlo Stanton, 4 of 18. Back to the NL East. Home run rate. Probably has the highest home run rate. Straight cash, homie. It takes some cash, homie. But yeah, divisions are sweet. They are available. Divisions number 2 later on tonight. Dallas Keuchel, Frank Thomas, and Tulowitzki. Well, let's get the number on the back. Rizzo, 119 out of 150. Anthony Rizzo and Donnie Baseball. 11 of 50, Donnie Baseball going to Corey. And here's a swatch. Mike Zunino, 21 of 36 in the AL West. Bob's AL West. And the Giants. Matthew Duffy, 33 out of 99 in the NL West for Bradley. Triple relic autograph. Very nice. Adrian Gonzalez to 250, NL West. AL East Satchel Paige, that's the St. Louis Browns going to the Orioles spot. Kemp, Dodgers. I'm sorry, Dodgers. Same division as the Dodgers, but no, NL West. AL East, another, because Yastrzemski, boy, Yaz has been all over this one. Cargo, 304 to 340 for the NL West. And auto jersey. AL East, Robbie Refsnyder, 14 of 99 with a pinstripe going across for Corey and staying in the AL East. 9 homers. In April of 2015, I guess he hit 9 bombs. Numbered 27 out of 27. His initial month with the Red Sox is 10 homers. The back of the card says 10 home runs. Equal David Ortiz. Giolito, Hank Aaron, NL East and NL West with a Koufax. Johnny Cueto. Oh, we got a 101. We got a printing plate piece. Johnny Cueto, 26 out of 250. And our 1-of-1 printing plate. Holy cow. NL West. Bradley. Boom. A bum of a boom. The bum. That is the black printing plate. Yes. Congrats. And there's a Miggy Cat bad piece. 26 out of 27. That's awesome. AL Central. Corey's AL Central. Miggy Cats. Wait a minute. This is weird. Ooh, we got 3 hits in this one, guys. 3 hits. Ichiro. Boom. Yankees Ichiro. 5 of 27. How about that one, Corey? Nice. And there's a bonus hit in here. Number to 18. Ricky. Mets 24. 8 of 18, Ricky Henderson. Mets 24. How about that? Bob, you are. Hi-ya. Congrats, man. And I see a whale. Wow, this case is loaded. Boy, 2 in a row, guys, have been very, very good. Been very good. We hit a triple auto and a whale in this. I love it, man. Awesome. And there might be a book piece over here too. Boggs, Wagner, and Hayward. Carlos Gonzalez, Rockies to 340 in the NL West. Kershaw. 103 out of 150 in the NL West. All right, guys. Oh, this is cool. Will Myers, 1 of 27 in the NL West. Bradley, look at that, man. Sweet camo jersey. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's go this way. White Whale, the second one launched. Boom! Oh, my gosh! Oh, my gosh! I want this card so bad. Oh, my gosh. This is weird. I thought it was a Reds card, and here it's Seattle. Iconic Griffey Jr. Boom! Oh my gosh. It says Seattle. What's going on? Whoa. I gotta put this in a mag right now before I run away and turn the computer off and run and hide. Bob. Oh my goodness. Iconic is right. A Griffey Jr. 101 White Whale. That card is humongous. Antasy, do you have any idea what just happened, my friend? Wow. 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 Whew, that's what Triple Threads does right there, man. I cannot believe that. Oh my goodness. I like it because it's the Reds. It looks like a Reds jersey pinstripe. Maybe it's from an All-Star game. I don't know. I'd probably talk to Tops about that. Puig and Cueto. Here's a Buster Posey to 340. Chris Bryant of the Cubbies. That one is short printed 250. 119 out of 250. And here's an auto jersey. Boy, the Astros. Wow. 7 of 25. Another AL West. Bob, you're just crushing it. And there's a Posey. 12 of 36. Rare catcher. Rare C. Wowzers. And I think the Drakey says, oh gosh. C-Mac, I got another one for you. We'll get the other version. Goodness gracious. Dude, I hear you. Ryan, Arrieta, and Lou Gehrig. A numbered Stanton to 340. 42 is the card number. Behind Bo Jackson, which is numbered. Bo Jackson to 150. 59 to 150 for the AL Central. It's autographed bat piece. Yadiel Rivera. 33 to 99. That's a Brewers hit for the NL Central to Chris. And staying in that NL Central. No pop-ups. Joey Votto, 11 of 18. No pop-ups. Holy, I love it. Hold on, I gotta show this. Antacede. Holy big money hit. Wow, is right. No Mama Zara. 100 pence. And there's a Ruth. There's a babe. Roger Clemens to 99. The Rockets. Good luck, you guys. Got some more to go. Got some more to go. Trevor. Tell me a brake pad story. Numbered to 250. Rookie parallel. Bat piece. Pudge Rodriguez. Wow, AL West. Bob. 8 of 36. And it's upside down one. No, here we go. 74 of 99. AL East. Corey. There's a Richie Schaefer. 75 of 99. Syndergaard. Pujols Johnson. Robbie Cano, AL West. 24 out of 150. Yellow parallel. Mr. Ripken. 15 of 99 for AL East. Here's a Lester Cat, 19 of 36 for the Cubbies. Going to Chris. And here it's NL East, Trey Turner on the card. 42 of 50. NL East is Bob as well. The NL East, Trey has the World Turner. 2 more to go. Basically 1 box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Story base. Strasburg and Ichiro. Ryan Braun of the Brew Crew, 26 out of 150 NL Central. And the other parallel is King Felix, 191 out of 250. Autographed jersey. Yeah, it's AL East. Nathan Eovaldi, 3 of 99. For Corey and Big Tex, 2 to go. 8 of 27, 2 to go. Relic piece. He could move within one of Eddie Murray's Major League record of a dozen 25 home run seasons by a switch hitter. Is he already there? Does he already have his 25? All right, good luck, guys. Book piece. Yeah, book piece. Woo! Oh, baby. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. Adrian Gonzalez to 340. 61 is the card number. Matt Kemp. It's numbered 7 of 99 NL West. Base, it's Vladimir, Jose, and Ryan Braun. Oh, guys, holy cow. That's a bat knob card. Colton. We have a bat knob book piece. Ryan Braun base. Colton Wong auto jersey. 44 out of 50. NL Central. Chris. Oh boy. All right, the front doesn't say anything. It's just a bat knob card. Yes, Prime Signatures. That, I guess we'll have to do that one next. Yes, sir. Prime Sigs. Our eBay breaks will start up here. I'll just do the eBay breaks rolling. I'm going to roll them really quick. So, guys, come back for triple threads. We got divisions and 2 more team breaks. I got to boom somebody right now. A 3! A 2! A 1! A 1! Wow. Ivan Longoria. This card goes to Corey. Boom! Holy cow! Look at that, man. It's got like Red Bulls. That's weird. There's bulls on that card. Longoria, can you believe that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Tampa Bay. Can you imagine if you got Tampa Bay and hit that? Whew. Man, guys, you're wearing me out already. I'm already 2 cases deep into this stuff. I gotta chill tonight. I gotta chill. Longo's going to go down as one of the best. He's going to be a franchise great. So I ordered a couple extras of these, so I had them. I knew I was going to need them. How about that 9-box case? Longoria bat piece. Griffey Jr. White Whale. Triple auto Astros. That's pretty good. That's really good. Not terrible. Whew. All right, guys, we got plenty more. We got plenty more where that came from. I hope to get all you guys in on the boom. Wow, wow, wow. I have Reds, Rockies, Phillies, Padres, Jays left. There are 5 left in pick your team number 2. Number 3 is getting down there too. Wow, guys, thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 7 left in pick your team number 3. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start up. I'm gonna get ready for the eBay break so we can get those done as quickly as possible, guys. Random divisions number 2 are on the website. I'm not sure where we're at on that one, but goodness gracious. I only one got, yeah, we're still sitting at 5, so if you guys want to get on a division break, those are out there still as well.